Welcome to question 2 on the Year 11 Core Progress Test 1. Now question 2 is all about Venn diagrams. Now the epsilon symbol up here represents the universal set, and this contains everything that we're interested in, so in this case numbers from 1 to 12. Now S represents a set of square numbers, so from numbers 1 to 12 we get 1, 4 and 9, and E represents a set of even numbers, and from numbers 1 to 12 we get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Now before we start putting numbers into the Venn diagram, we first need to know what each region represents in this Venn diagram. There are 4 regions. Now region A represents a number that is not square or even. B represents a number that is a square number but not an even number. C represents any numbers that are square and even. And D represents any numbers that are even but not square. Now we need to look to see that any numbers that both sets contain. And looking from this, we can only see that there is a number 4 that they both have in common. Now, number 4 goes into the intersection of regions of S and E, so in that case it goes in here. We now look to see what numbers we have left over in set S. In this case that's 1 and 9. We now look to see what numbers we have left over for the even numbers, so that's 2, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Now to check that we have all the numbers, we need to look back at the original list. So we've got 1, we've got 2, but we've not got 3, so that goes on the outside. We've got 4, we've not got 5, 6, we've not got 7, we've got 8, 9, 10, not got 11, and 12 is already there. So just a quick check to see they're all there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All numbers are correctly placed within the Venn diagram. Now part B is a probability question, and this says one of the numbers is chosen at random, so numbers from 1 to 12. Write down the probability of S intersection of E. Now the intersection is represented by this part in the Venn. Now to work out the probability, we first need to know how many numbers are in that intersection. So in this case, you can see that there is only one number in this intersection out of how many numbers we had in total, and that was 12. So the probability of picking a number at random that's in the intersection of S and E is 1/12. Thank you for listening.